What if I told you that you never need to record a piece of content again? And that content that you never recorded is actually generating you qualified leads inbound that can actually afford your high ticket offer or service. I know it sounds way too good to be true, right? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create an AI clone that will do all the content creation for you and automate your content creation process in under 10 minutes. I'm gonna break it down in 3 simple actionable steps, so make sure you watch till the end. The first part is gonna be creating your hyper-realistic AI clone. For this, we're gonna need 2 main softwares. The first one is gonna be HeyGen, which is an AI video generator. HeyGen is gonna allow you to clone your video likeness and pretty much use that to create the visual content. However, the secret to making these AI clones really realistic is to connect 11 Labs to clone your audio. We're gonna use something called a professional voice clone that's gonna clone your AI voice to be extremely accurate and then combine the two together. Let me show you exactly how to make that happen. All right, so now we're in the HeyGen platform. You're gonna need to make an account, sign up, and then get the creator tier, which is the cheapest tier account for HeyGen. Now, in order to get started with your AI clone, you wanna go to this avatar section. As you can see, I've already made a couple AI clones of me and my dad, so you know exactly what we're doing. Now, once you get to this screen, hit get started, fill, and then text instructions. And then make sure you follow all of these things. I'd suggest also reading these detailed instructions, super valuable as well, to help you create an extremely accurate clone. Then you want to hit next step and then upload the footage of you. So I'm just going to upload some footage real quick here. All right, so I just uploaded my training footage. It's around 4 minutes of me talking and just following all the procedures that they gave me. So now you just want to click all these boxes. You can hit keep ambient sounds and recording, but it doesn't matter because we're going to use 11 Labs for the voice. All right, so now you want to just make sure you hit my footage looks good. And then you want to add your consent. If you've already recorded it, you can just use this and then make sure it's good. Wow, I look so stupid. But you can just record it via webcam and you'll be good to go from there. So you just hit this and then submit, and then your video is going to upload. So now once your avatar is ready, you'll be able to see it here. You can go in and take a look at all the looks that are available for you. You can add up to 100 looks, but here's just a couple examples of the ones that I have so you know exactly what I'm doing. All right, so now that you know how to use HeyGen to clone your video likeness, let's now move on to 11 Labs so you can clone your audio likeness. All right, so we're now on the 11 Labs homepage. You're gonna want to go in and make sure that you have a creator tier subscription on 11 Labs as well. It's $22 a month. The starter will not allow you to create the professional voice clone, which is what we're going to be using for this example. Both of my HeyGen and 11 Labs affiliate links are available in the description, so it'd be awesome if you use that to sign up. So now you're going to want to navigate to voices and then add a new voice. Now, I've already made a professional voice clone, but I'm going to reset mine so you can see exactly how I'm doing it. So don't worry if you mess up the first time with your professional voice clone. You can always delete it and make a new one. All right, so now that you're in the professional voice clone section, you now want to just read through all this, make sure it's good to go, and then hit the consent at the bottom. Now, this is where all the magic's gonna happen. So I would suggest you just put your name and then PVC, just so you know exactly what it is. So I'm just gonna put V2 because I've already made one. Here, you wanna upload the sample of a 45-minute to 1 hour, preferably more, of audio training and footage of you talking, ideally the exact tone and style of your social media presentation. So I would suggest that you just generate like 100 random scripts and then just speak through all of them. That'll give you like an hour plus of footage that you can then throw into here, and then you'll never have to record a video again. I'm gonna go in and just upload my footage right now. All right, so I just added my 11 Labs training audio. You know, it's around 50 minutes an hour. I definitely should be doing more, but it's a good start and it's given me pretty good accurate results. Now, you want to add labels. The labels I like to go with are the following: accent, and then whatever your accent is, gender, and then whatever your gender is, and then style, social media. Here, you want to just describe yourself at the bottom. And honestly, I don't know if they use this to just train their models or they kind of use that description to match existing training data, but it does the job. So here, I'm just going to put a young American male that is teaching people about AI and content creation, marketing on social. Wow, I suck at typing. Okay, on social media. So something along the lines of this should be good. And then you just hit create professional voice clone. All right, so now we're in the verification page. You just want to hit start verification, and then you're going to get a short sentence that you just have to read out, and then it'll approve the consent. All right, so it took a couple tries, but I got the voice to successfully verify. If it says that it's not working and it doesn't match the voice, that's completely fine, especially if you're using tools to clean up like Adobe Podcast and filter out the audio. Like, that's completely fine. Just make sure you try it as many times as possible. And if it doesn't work, sometimes it ends up taking like 24 hours and then it ends up actually working. Don't stress out. And if there's any problems, 11 Lab has great support. So just reach out to them and they can help you. So now we want to hit finish, and it's going to take a couple hours to start fine tuning. The most important thing that you want to do is once it goes to this page, you want to go here and then click to start fine tuning. Once that loads, it's going to say model training started, and then you'll get a notification in a couple hours from email when it's actually ready to use. Now, the magic happens when you combine both of these softwares together, so let me show you exactly how to do that by connecting the 11 Labs API to HeyGen. Okay, so now in HeyGen, you want to go to the bottom left where your profile is, and then hit API keys. Here you want to go and create a new API key, and I like to just say HeyGen API key. Now, restrict key is up to you. You don't need to do that. I would just suggest leaving it as is. Hit create. Make sure to hit copy to clipboard, and then you're good to go on the 11 Labs side. Now you want to go to the HeyGen platform and then go to AI voice. You want to go to the top right and hit integrate third-party voice. Now you want to go and hit import voice. You want to make sure it's selected on the 11 Labs service provider and then paste your API key here. Now hit confirm and boom, you're ready to go. Now usually you're going to need to scroll down and then go to the PVC model and then hit the on. So now it's actually imported to HeyGen. Now if you want to create your own video, go to create video, avatar video, create portrait or landscape, however it looks. Add your avatar, so I'll just pick a random one. And then most importantly, in the script section, to now add the 11 Labs voice, you want to go here and then go to My Voices. And then you'll be able to see in the corner, it'll say 11 Labs Multilingual. Now make sure to hit that and you're good to go. The way you want to make these scripts accurate is go here, and then you can modify the stability, clarity, style exaggeration, speed, speaker boost, and so on. And that's going to allow you to just modify each sentence of the script to make sure that the AI voice is actually accurate. And that's it. You're now ready to start creating AI content. So let's move on to the next step, script writing. All right, so the next part of this system is going to be using AI to write the scripts for you. We want to automate the entire process, so let me break down exactly how we use our short form God custom GPT to do exactly this. There's 3 simple steps. The first one is going to be the input, where you throw in all the information about you and your business. The second step is going to be generating the scripts using the AI. And the third step is just going to review the scripts and add your human touch to it, so it's not just a robotic script that AI generated for you. So let's move into ChatGPT so I can explain exactly how to do that. All right, so now I'm on ChatGPT's platform on the short form God GPT. You can easily access this for free on our Skool community that's completely free as well. Make sure to check the description to get the link to our free Skool community so you can access this tool as well. Now, you want to just make sure to go to make me a month's worth of content. Hit that button to get started, and it's going to ask you a bunch of questions. Now, the more info you can give to this GPT, the better the output's going to be. I personally just like to use my phone and then voice narrate everything and then copy paste that into ChatGPT so it has a bunch of info that's very specific to my offer and business. All right, so I just copy pasted an entire transcript that me and my partner Abhi did as a kind of internal exercise to practice content strategy interviews for our clients. So I just hit that in there and then boom, it's gonna start cooking up and making magic for us. As you can see, it's starting to dive really deep into all the topics, titles, and scripts. And then once you're done with everything, it's going to pretty much go in and then ask you which of these scripts you want to actually generate. So I just found this video on day 14 that I really like. Look, not every video is going to be the best idea, so pick the ones you like. So what I'm going to do is highlight this, click the reply, and then say, make me a script of this video. Now, if you don't know, I've been in the marketing game for 4 years, generated my clients over $2 million, and generated over 1 million followers across multiple social media accounts. What I did is pretty much throw all of that knowledge into this GPT so you can literally use it for free and get all that skill set in an AI tool. So now you can see it generated a pretty solid script, right? Stop scrolling if you want to learn the 3 secrets to going viral with AI. I'd say that's a pretty solid hook. Now it goes into a bit more detail, gives you examples, and now you can just pretty much take the script and roll with it. Now, the script is great as a framework and it uses a lot of script psychologies, but it's not authentically you. So you want to make sure that you're actually taking the script and then modifying it, the tone and voice and style and scripting to more naturally represent you and the way you talk. Especially when we're using AI clones, we start to lose a bit of that human touch. So the way the scripting is done and adding a couple slang and shorter types of words and sentences can allow for it to become more natural. Now, all you need to do is just upload the script to HeyGen, modify the voices and tone a little bit to make sure it's accurate throughout the video, and you're ready to go. Now, the key to keeping your content realistic is to use B-roll and other animations to cover certain AI moments when it starts to look a little finicky. You want to use a natural blend of your actual AI talking video and also B-rolls, animation, and maybe other footage from your real life to keep the video authentic. And within minutes, you're going to have a perfectly crafted piece of content. And the best part is with this system, you can batch create content in literally minutes for the rest of the month. Now you have everything you need to start creating content with AI on Instagram. But here's the thing. You might be wondering why I'm giving away all these secrets. Look, the whole point of this system is to generate you qualified leads from Instagram without you having to lift a finger. You can plug this entire system in and start seeing some results, but it really won't work unless you have this one key thing. You need an optimized funnel that can actually turn viewers into leads and then appointments set and qualify them and book them on a sales call, which you then have a solid script to be able to close. That's why I'm offering a free call to the next 3 people that book with the link below. I'm going to consult with you at no cost to see how we can implement this offer for you. And if we can, we'll break down exactly how these systems can be plugged in, done for you, so you don't have to touch a thing. And yes, I will pitch you if I'm confident we can actually help you. I'd rather be honest right now than catch you off guard later. But regardless, you will be leaving that call with some sort of actionable value. So if you're making over 10K per month with your agency or coaching business, but you struggle to scale because you're lacking the time to record the consistent content you need for Instagram, make sure to schedule a call with me below. And no matter what, I really hope you're able to take this value that I gave you and actually implement it for your business. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future value and content that I have to provide. And as always, take care.